Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zapier Manager to Microsoft Outlook step by step. This is the full updated guide for 2026, and yeah, no technical headache, just the clean setup you actually need. All right, first things first, open Zapier in your browser and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before moving on. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. From here, make sure you're inside Zapier Manager where all your apps and connections live. Now, look for the app search bar and type Microsoft Outlook. This is where you tell Zapier which service you want to connect. So, yeah, just select it from the results. After selecting Microsoft Outlook, click on the option to connect a new account. Zapier will now prepare the connection and redirect you to Microsoft for authorization. At this point, sign in using your Microsoft Outlook email and password. Make sure this is the correct account you want Zapier to access because, permissions matter here. Next, Microsoft will ask for permission to let Zapier access your Outlook data. Go ahead and approve the request. This allows Zapier to read, send, or manage emails depending on how you use it. Once permissions are granted, you'll be sent back to Zapier. If everything worked correctly, you'll see Microsoft Outlook listed as a connected account. That means you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you connect Zapier Manager to Microsoft Outlook in 2026. You can now automate emails, triggers, and workflows without doing everything manually. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more automation guides. Thanks for watching.